The most common reason your Pixel 10 won't reconnect to trusted Wi-Fi networks is temporary glitch in either your phone or your router, which interrupts the automatic connection process. Restarting both devices often fixes this right away. Other possible causes include corrupted Wi-Fi settings or minor software issues that prevent your phone from remembering and reconnecting to saved networks. In this video, you'll learn 3 quick fixes to solve the problem and make sure your Pixel 10 reconnects to Wi-Fi as it should. So follow along and you'll be back online without any hassle. The first thing you need to do is restart your phone and your router. This clears out temporary glitches on both ends. To do that, press the power key and the volume up key on your Pixel and tap Restart. For your router, unplug it from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the connection to re-establish. Next, forget and reconnect to the network. To make sure corrupted settings aren't blocking the connection, open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Internet. Tap the gear icon next to your Wi-Fi network and select Forget. After that, reconnect to the same network and enter your password. Finally, reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This restores them to default and often resolves hidden issues. To do this, open Settings, tap System, then Reset Options, and choose Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Confirm your choice, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. These 3 solutions should be enough to fix your Pixel 10 not reconnecting to trusted Wi-Fi networks, but if the issue continues, you may need to contact Google Support or your internet service provider. Subscribe for more helpful guides, and thanks for watching.